some to drink? Oh, okay.
He's splashing.
You want a little treat to wash it down?
She goes, no, I like the water better.
Don't. She took it. These are like, no, this is just fun. We don't have a hose. Oh, well, okay, there you go. Okay.
He talks a lot in grunt language.
He does. There we go.
Right. I think Redneck would eat and drink with you all day long.
Okay, need a little something to drink to wash it down yet? Are you ready?
Here.
Okay.
Good catch.
Yes.
Splash.
Okay, we'll have some more of that. There we go. Okay, and some more. Yeah, good. Okay. Oh, wash it down. Sit down there. That's good. There you go. I know, it's so much fun. Here. You're still hungry? My goodness.
He's like a home with one of those automatic watering fountains.
Can only go a minute.